हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। तो यस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट इस चैप्टर में हमने सबसे पहले देखा था उसका इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट। उसके बाद हमने ब्लॉक डायग्राम पढ़ी थी। यस ब्लॉक, पी ब्लॉक, डी ब्लॉक, एफ ब्लॉक एलिमेंट के बारे में हमने 11th-12th में भी पढ़ा था। उसमें से हमने एस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट को इस चैप्टर में यस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं। तो उसके बाद हमने कंपैरेटिव स्टडी के बारे में बताया। उसमें फर्स्ट पॉइंट हमने लिया था इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। तो फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड ए ग्रुप एलिमेंट का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन किस प्रकार से होती है, फर्स्ट ए ग्रुप एलिमेंट को क्या बोला जाता है, सेकंड ए ग्रुप एलिमेंट को क्या बोला जाता है। उसके बाद दूसरे वीडियो में हमने बताया था कि एटॉमिक रेडियस और आयोनिक रेडियस उनका पीरियड्स और ग्रुप में किस प्रकार से वेरिएशन होता है, और आयोनाइजेशन पोटेंशियल क्या है और उसकी वैल्यू पीरियड्स और ग्रुप में किस प्रकार से वैरी होती है। ये हमने सेकंड वीडियो में पढ़ा था। अभी आज का ये हमारा थर्ड वीडियो है। इस थर्ड वीडियो में हम एक नई प्रॉपर्टी आपको बताने जा रहे हैं। उसका नाम है इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी। वो ई से डिनोट की जाती है, इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी। ये इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी क्या होती है और पीरियड्स और ग्रुप में किस प्रकार से वेरी होती है यस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट के लिए, अब इस वीडियो में हमें देखने वाले हैं। इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी, इट इज़ द अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी रिलीज when an extra electron is added into gaseous atom to form monovalent anion. That means when extra electron is added in the last cell of any atom, then some amount of energy is released from this atom. This energy is known as electron affinity. It is the amount of energy released when an extra electron is added in the last cell of an atom is known as electron affinity. For example, here Cl, chlorine atom is given. In that chlorine atom, the one electron is added in the last cell. Then this chlorine atom becomes chlorine ion, and the some amount of energy is released from this chlorine atom. This energy is called as the electron affinity. In case of a s block element, when we move down the group, atomic size increases, atomic number is increases, so the nuclear charge increases, but atomic size is also increases. Ionization potential value decreases. Due to this, electron affinity is also decreases. That means the ionization potential as well as electron affinity are in a direct proportions, or have direct variations. So if the ionization potential value decreases, then the electron affinity value is also decreases. The electron affinity of first A group element, electron affinity of first A group elements is greater than the second A group element, because the second A group element has a stable electronic configuration. The electron affinity of a stable electron configuration containing element is always 0. So the electron affinity of first A group element is greater. There are some information are given here. The first A group element like hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, these all elements have electronic affinity 72, 59, 80, 67 respectively. But second A group element, that means beryllium and magnesium, these two elements have the electronic configuration 0, because the stable electron configuration containing element shows a 0 electron affinity. After that, we have to explain here the new property as a electronegativity. What is meant by the electronegativity? The tendency of an atom to attract a single electron or electron pair. It is the tendency of an atom to attract single electron or electron pair toward itself is known as a electronegativity. That means it is the tendency to attract the electron or electron pair toward itself. In case of a S block element, on moving down the group, first A and second A group, on moving down the first A and second A group, atomic number increases, so the nuclear charge is also increases, atomic size is also increases. Why? Because the extra cell is added. Due to this, the attraction of a nucleus and added electron becomes less. Therefore, the tendency of nucleus to attract outer electron is also decreases. That means therefore the tendency of nucleus to attract outer electron is also decreases. Thus the electronegativity value is also decreases on moving down the group. When we move from top to bottom in a group, then tendency of an atom to attract the electron is also decreases. Why? Because the distance between the nucleus and the outer electron, that means extra electron or other electron or electron of other atom, is the distance between the nucleus of one atom to the electron from the electron of the other atom is also increases. So the electronegativity value is decreases from top to bottom in a group. Now there is also a third property, that means first is the electronic configuration, second one we have explained atomic and ionic radii, third one is the ionization potential, fourth one is the electron affinity, fifth one is the electronegativity, and after that we are going to explain here. And the sixth one property is the reducing property. The element which can easily lose its electron can act as a good reducing agent. The element which can easily lose its electron, that means the element which have tendency to donate electron, can act as a good reducing agent. S block element have a low ionization potential. The S block elements have low ionization potential and high tendency to donate electron. Therefore, they acts as a good reducing agent. That means all the S block elements are metal, so they have tendency to donate electron. Sodium gives 1 electron, calcium gives 2 electron and form positive ion. That means it acts as a good reducing agent. While moving down the group, when we moving down the group, ionization potential value decreases. Hence, the reducing property of element increases. Ionization potential value decreases, hence the reducing property of element is increases. That means these element have tendency to donate electron easily. On the other hand, when we move from LHS to RHS in a period, when we move from left hand side to right hand side in a period, the ionization potential value increases, hence a reducing property decreases. Ionization potential value increases, so the reducing property value is decreases. Reducing property is measured in terms of, reducing property is also measured in terms of standard reduction potential. More negative is the value of SRP, that means standard reduction potential, more stronger is the reducing agent. That means more negative is the value of SRP, more negative is the value of standard reduction potential, more stronger is the reducing agent. So the some values of standard reduction potential value of first and second group elements are given. From this value we also explain the reducing property of reducing property of S block element. Here the elements are given: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. The standard reduction potential value are also given there: minus 3.05, minus 2.71, minus 2.92, minus 2.92 and minus 2.93 respectively. Similarly, the secondary group elements are also given there: beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. And the value, standard reduction potential value are also given there. Among the alkali metal, that means from the first A group element, lithium is a small size element. Have a high nuclear charge density, high hydration energy. Due to this, lithium has a most negative value of SRP. That is minus 3.05. It acts as a strong reducing agent. But SRP value decreases from sodium to cesium. That means it is a strong reducing agent, but from the sodium to cesium, negative SRP value is that means negative value is increases from sodium to cesium. So the cesium, rubidium, potassium, sodium, they also shows the reducing property, but highly reducing property shown by the lithium. After that, cesium, rubidium, potassium and sodium. So from this chart, we also describe we also try to understand how the elements, how the first and secondary group element shows variation in their reducing property. तो इस प्रकार से आज की इस वीडियो में हमने इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी और उसके बाद इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी, उसके बाद इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी और रिड्यूसिंग प्रॉपर्टी किस तरह से पीरियड्स और ग्रुप में वैरी होता है, ये बताया है। आप और अच्छी से अच्छी किताब पढ़ के और ये वीडियो देख के अच्छे से अच्छे फिर से समझ ले, यही आपसे अपेक्षा करता हूँ और यहीं पे ये वीडियो स्टॉप करता हूँ। तब ओके, थैंक यू।